come true.
Hey, that was so why am I so weird? Hey, my weekend technically with my current schedule starts on Thursday at 12 p.m. I love my schedule now that I don't have Friday classes. We love to see it. However, I don't know what I'm doing for this video, but I missed making content, so here I am. I guess I'll start with what this week is going to be. I have 2 exams on Monday, so I guess you could add that to the list of stuff to do, which will probably be over here. I have 2 exams on Monday that I need to study for. I have a math project that I need to start and turn in the first part of. I have web work, which is like math homework. I need to start looking over stuff for one of my classes because I know I have an exam coming up. Not this weekend, not this week, but like this next week, but the week after that. Okay, so yesterday's vlogging didn't go as much as planned, so I guess I'll just catch you up on what happened just because I didn't film it. Fridays are the days where I normally kind of do self-care and I do homework. I have a lot of stuff for my sorority to do. Actually, hold up, let me like change. Okay, so I literally almost lost my leg. Other than that, I don't know if I want to do tips on my nails because my nails are getting longer to the point where like, yeah, that would be nice. However, I need them to grow. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it. But I have just gotten coffee. It's 9:36 a.m. I went to my boyfriend's yesterday and just kind of hung out and did some more homework. So from that to-do list last time, my math project is done, like at least the first part, and my math homework is done. So I was productive. Am I tired? Yes. Do I have more to do? Yes. All right, so I'm back. My nails are red and my toes are white. I need to wait for these to dry. So right now I'm just like watching YouTube videos, I guess. But I've got some more stuff to do. So, So I put this on my eyelashes every day and it helps them grow. I got lash extensions and all my lashes started Jeez! I got lash extensions and all my lashes started to fall out. So I do it all the time. This is just like a big castor oil. I got it from like my hometown. And as you can see, I got this last year and I haven't used that much of it. So we're still going good on the train of getting our stuff together. So I guess now I'm gonna do more homework. Not really a fan, but it has to happen at some point. Hello. Okay, I'm back. I just got done with doing a little bit more homework. I run and do Greek week with my lovely counterpart Lauren. You'll see her over here, but I just had to teach her some of the dance because we have to teach different parts, so I just did that. And like in between my tasks, I like to break stuff up with like fun things to do. So I'm changing my letterboard this week. Last week was everything happens for a reason, but like WTF. Hi. I'm back and I went to Target. Yep, that happened. Probably shouldn't have went, but went anyway. Wow, my skin is glowing. That face mask did a lot. Either that or I'm just really oily. I don't know. That's all I got. If this is my best at Target, like the retrospect of me getting all of this, that means I have to get rid of some stuff, but also I need to organize. This is my entire working space and I just can't. I can't look at that every day. It gives me anxiety. So we gonna figure this out. So, full disclosure, it's now Tuesday at 1:02 a.m. and I didn't film. But I got better-ish, and I'll explain to you why. Seasonal depression is a thing, always will be a thing, never will not be a thing. My seasonal depression fluctuates, so it's just hard for me to tell when I'm coming into it, when I'm coming out of it. I feel like I'm finally coming out of it. I can tell. I start cleaning everything, and then like I go through and I'm like reevaluating my wardrobe, go through all that entire phase, because what other things can I do with my time other than what I'm supposed to do? Yeah, so I guess I'm just gonna close this off. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Yeah.
My pockets snug, I can't hold myself on. They ban my Visa, my Apex and MasterCards. I got